Hello, and thank you for tuning in to my screencast in order to develop our Flipgrid platform so that students and administrators alike can bridge the gap between that unknown factor. So students being able to bridge the gap between that teacher-student unknown, and then administration being able to bridge the gap between providing professional development and teachers not really knowing what to expect. So first thing that we need to do here is to go ahead and get us an internet that we're going to use. So I'm going to use Google Chrome for this demonstration. Slide that over here. The platform we're going to use is Flipgrid. So we're going to type in Flip, F-I-L-P, grid, Grid.com, Flipgrid. That's the platform we're going to be using today. All right, and we're going to sign up now in order to start our Flipgrid platform. This is going to send you to the sign up page. We're going to go ahead and sign up with a Google account just to make it a bit easier in order for us to do these directions today. I'm going to use my personal email account here. And I have developed a few examples, but I'm going to create a new grid for this screencast today. We're going to be developing this for the classroom. So we're going to press classroom and then next. I need to set up a password. This password is going to be used for you to give to the students and or for teachers if you're doing a professional development. So that way when you provide the link onto whatever email, or if you're working with students, if you have a web page, you're going to need to provide this password so they can open up that grid avenue. You're going to provide that password that we just came up with and this Flipgrid code here. All set. And we have developed our Flipgrid platform. Now you could press new topic here. In this new topic, I would do a math standard, so expressions and equations, and students will then be given a 1 minute and 30-second required response video. Here I can type in an equation. This is just for an example, and students would then go in. I'm going to create the topic. Students would then be able to go in and upload videos according to that topic that we have discussed. So you're going to active, very good, share the topic. Either you're going to get this link and you're going to put it onto your web page for students, or you're going to get this code and you could share it through various platforms such as Class Dojo or Remind. You can share that code there and it'll take students exactly to this page to upload their video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great night. Bye-bye.